Oriental Trading Company unboxing. I bought some clearance items to add to boxes of joy. They are boxes for children who don't normally get Christmas presents all around the world. And I fill boxes once a year. I won't be filling them again until October, but this is the time of year for clearance, so let's see. I would have ordered more, but I didn't know what the quality was, so I thought I would do a video looking at the quality in case you were wondering too. All right, I got the tape off. Let's see. We have a packing label, which I'm hoping is going to have the prices. Yes, so I will share the prices of everything with you. Okay. These are Big Eye Crazy Animal Paddles. Sorry about that. My dog burst in on me. These are the Big Eye Crazy Animal Paddle. They were $4.78, I think, for a dozen. So let's look at everything and then I'll open a few things to see actual quality. I did get a different kind of paddle. I got these. These were labeled as wooden, or I don't know about these Big Eye ones, if they are the same material, because these were labeled as wooden, and I just thought they were so cute. And I know there's different flowers than that one, and these are the paddle balls too. And these were flower-shaped paddle balls. These were $8.99 for a dozen, but they were just so cute that I got one of those. And I got some spinning tops. These were really cheap. I think these were $1.98. $1.98. And did I get a dozen? Yeah, 1 dozen quantity, 1 dozen. Okay. There's my dog. Hi, Izzy. She's helping. All right, then I got these jumping frogs, because it's good to have filler for the boxes, because when they get sent, you want them to be as packed as much as possible. You don't want to have, a Barbie or something taking up room and then having a gap. These can fit in between stuff, so this is really nice. So let's see, plastic jumping frogs. This bag was $2.98. And I got 144, it says right here, 144. I don't know if you can see that, 144 pieces. So that seems like a good filler toy. Okay. Now, I know I splurged on this one because this was a Valentine's Day one, and these aren't clearance yet, but I kind of like them. They're kind of a building block, and they're in individual bags, and I know they were a dozen, and they were $8.98. And they're already pre-packaged, which I thought was nice. I'm also going to see if I can find any maybe garage sales Legos and stuff and put them in my own bags. Now, I knew these were going to be tiny because I was able to find in a review, I think, on the website that these were really tiny playing cards. And that they were very popular, and there was 1 dozen. But I still wasn't sure. I don't know if I'd want to play with little cards like this, but you know how kids are. Kids like different things than adults. So let me see how much those were. Those were a good price, I remember. Mini playing cards, they were $2.97 for a dozen. So I think that was a good price. And then the last one, this one I was really not sure about, but these came in nice little boxes. This is, what is that? Mini Matchbox game giveaways. and they were $4.98 for a dozen. A dozen? It doesn't say. I think so. 3 times 4 a dozen. And let's see, so it's matching dominoes, panagrams, matching dominoes. Yeah, those are the 3 games. So I'm going to see if I can open one up carefully to see, are these just little cardboard dominoes? What are they? It's probably just little cardboard. I mean, I can't imagine for that price that there's anything too exciting in there, but these are nice fillers. All right, so let me open something up here. Okay, so I opened up the dominoes, and they are about like a playing card. They're not quite as nice as a playing card. This side is glossy. This side feels very matte. And so maybe not as durable as a playing card. But there's a nice amount of them. And it came in this little box that was very easy for me to open it. I'll be able to close that back up. So that was really good. Those are nice for the price. I don't think I'd pay more for this. All right, here are the paddle balls, and I think they are exactly the same, so I don't know if they were worth the extra money to buy the flowers, other than the flowers were really pretty. It just looks like that pressed board, that masonite board. Very cute, though. Lots of fun. Let me show you the flower one. Same board. Does it feel more durable? Let me feel that again. No, they feel exactly the same. So I don't know why this one was labeled wooden and the other ones weren't. Is masonite pressboard considered wooden? It's not cardboard, so I guess. I mean, I really did expect it to be like almost like this. This is pretty sturdy. I kind of expect them to be like this, maybe a little bit nicer. So this is, I'm very happy with this. I'm happy with how durable they seem to be. Hopefully the string, I like that, because if the string ever breaks, you know, another string or a rubber band or something, or this string could be retied back in. So I'm happy about that. I'm not sure how easy it would be to if the ball came loose. But I'm happy about that. Something, little wins, right? All right, so I think that was a good haul. I'm trying to remember, do I have a total, how much I spent? I don't have one here. Let's see, you can do the math if you want. Let's see, so I spent $8.99, $4.98, $4.78, $2.98, $2.97, $1.98, and $8.98 on filler. I did find some really cute dolls on clearance on Walmart for $3.97, I think it was. So I'm really happy with that. So I'm starting really good my collection for next Christmas boxes of joy. All right, and if you need little gifts and toys for children, now you know what these look like in case you want to order them. Some of these are still available on clearance. And just, I am not getting anything from Oriental Trading Company. I just wanted to see what these look like myself. I wasn't sure. I probably would have ordered more if I knew what some of these looked like. Especially maybe these little games, which are cute. I don't know, maybe more of the paddle balls. I'm not sure. I probably would have ordered more if I knew what they looked like. And I couldn't find anybody else reviewing Oriental Trading Company. Probably because, I don't know, Oriental Trading Company is probably not sending out freebies to anybody to do it. So I paid for these for my own money, and they're being donated. But I just thought you might find it useful to see some of these. And my unboxing videos help support my reading videos. I have reading classes online at OutSchool, but I also have them here on YouTube that you can access for free. And I don't make any money off of any of these videos, but I would hope somebody found, especially the reading videos, I hope somebody finds them useful. So if you know of anybody who needs a reading tutor, please send them my way. All right, I'll see you tomorrow.